There really is no such thing as perfect. In an average class of 30, 6 young people will feel they have no one to talk to about their problems. 3 students will have serious mental health problems but will not seek professional help. 6 more will have had thoughts about suicide, and 3 will have deliberately harmed themselves. ReachOut.com's mission is simple: to help young people lead happier lives by providing them with the facts and support to deal with the challenges facing them. To do this, we need to engage them in an online environment where they feel safe and supported. ReachOut.com is a web-based community, a place where young people can find support, talk to their peers about their problems using the monitored blog, and get the right information to seek further help. The ReachOut.com programme was established in Australia in 1998 and has been successfully supporting young people going through tough times for over 10 years. Having only recently launched in Ireland, ReachOut.com is already starting to gain regular visitors, and by 2012 we anticipate that 150,000 Irish young people will be aware of us, with 50,000 having accessed the site. And most importantly, many thousands will get the help they need to lead happier lives. So even though there's no such thing as perfect, with ReachOut.com support, it will be perfectly normal for young people to get the help they need.